Dreaming of solo travel? Spain offers the perfect blend of safety, adventure, and freedom for independent explorers. From insider tips to must-see destinations, here's everything you need to make your solo trip unforgettable. Let's dive in. Traveling solo in Spain isn't just a trip. It's an adventure of independence and discovery. Imagine wandering through vibrant cities, uncovering hidden gems, and experiencing the freedom to explore at your own pace. In this video, we'll share essential tips and tricks to help you plan a safe, exciting, and unforgettable solo journey. Why Spain is perfect for solo travelers. Spain is one of the most popular travel destinations in Europe, and it's perfect for solo travelers. The country has a well-developed infrastructure, easy transportation options, and friendly locals who are always willing to help. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Madrid, the cultural heritage of Granada, or the beaches of Costa Brava, Spain offers a variety of experiences that cater to solo adventurers. Choosing the right cities for solo travel. When it comes to solo travel, certain cities in Spain are more accommodating than others. Barcelona is a lively city with a great mix of history, culture, and modern attractions, making it ideal for solo travelers. Madrid, Spain's capital, is another excellent choice, offering a wide range of museums, parks, and vibrant neighborhoods. Seville is perfect if you're looking for a charming city with a rich cultural scene, and Valencia is a laid-back option with beautiful beaches and gardens. For a more relaxed atmosphere, consider visiting Granada or Salamanca, which are both smaller and easy to navigate. Safety tips for solo travelers in Spain. Spain is generally a safe destination for solo travelers, but like any other place, it's important to stay aware of your surroundings. Avoid walking alone at night in poorly lit areas, especially in unfamiliar neighborhoods. Keep your valuables secure and be cautious of pickpockets, especially in tourist-heavy areas like La Rambla in Barcelona or Puerta del Sol in Madrid. Always keep a copy of important documents, like your passport, in case of loss or theft. Navigating public transportation. Spain has an excellent public transportation system, making it easy to get around as a solo traveler. Cities like Barcelona and Madrid have metro systems that are easy to navigate, and Spain's high-speed trains, AVE, are a comfortable and efficient way to travel between cities. If you're planning to visit smaller towns or rural areas, buses are also a good option. When traveling by train, always keep an eye on your belongings, as trains can get crowded during peak hours. Solo dining, tapas, and local food. One of the best parts of traveling solo in Spain is the opportunity to enjoy local cuisine. Spain is famous for its tapas culture, and it's common to enjoy small plates of food at a bar or restaurant. Solo travelers will find it easy to enjoy tapas while mingling with locals. Don't be afraid to sit at the bar and strike up a conversation with the bartender or fellow diners. Popular dishes to try include patatas bravas, croquetas, and jamón ibérico. If you're in the mood for something sweet, try churros con chocolate, a traditional Spanish treat. Meeting people while traveling solo. While Spain is an easy destination for solo travelers, there are plenty of opportunities to meet people along the way. You can join group tours, attend cooking classes, or visit a local market to interact with locals and fellow travelers. Many hostels and guest houses also offer social events like barbecues, pub crawls, or day trips. If you're looking to make new friends or share your experiences, don't hesitate to connect with others through these activities. Solo adventure activities in Spain. If you're an adventurous solo traveler, Spain offers a wealth of outdoor activities. Head to the Pyrenees or the Sierra Nevada for hiking or skiing. Spain's coast is perfect for solo travelers who love the sea, with options for surfing, sailing, or kayaking. The Camino de Santiago, the famous pilgrimage route, is another great adventure for solo travelers looking for a mix of outdoor exploration and spiritual reflection. Whether you're exploring nature or seeking adrenaline, Spain has plenty to offer. Finding your own pace, relax, and enjoy. One of the biggest benefits of traveling solo is the freedom to do things at your own pace. Spain offers a wide range of experiences, from fast-paced city tours to relaxed afternoons at the beach. Take your time to explore the cities and attractions that interest you the most without worrying about accommodating anyone else's schedule. If you want to spend the day at a museum, go for it. If you want to relax in a park or cafe, that's perfectly fine too. Enjoy the freedom of solo travel. Solo travel apps and resources. To help you navigate Spain, make use of travel apps that are designed for solo travelers. Download apps like Google Maps to help you get around, Trainline for booking train tickets, and TripAdvisor to find reviews of local attractions, restaurants, and activities. There are also apps like Meetup and Couchsurfing that can help you connect with other travelers or locals for social activities. Additionally, consider using language apps like Duolingo to learn a few key Spanish phrases before your trip. Cultural etiquette for solo travelers. Spain is a country with a rich culture and traditions, and it's important to be mindful of local customs. Spaniards are generally warm and welcoming, but be sure to respect their social norms. For example, siesta, afternoon nap, is still a tradition in many parts of Spain, so be prepared for some shops or restaurants to close during the afternoon hours. When greeting people, a handshake is common, and it's polite to use formal titles like señor or señora, unless you're invited to be more familiar. Traveling solo in Spain can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Whether you're exploring bustling cities, relaxing on the beach, or hiking through scenic landscapes, Spain offers something for every type of solo traveler. Remember to stay safe, embrace the culture, and enjoy every moment of your adventure. But if you're planning a family trip, we've got you covered too. Check out our video on Spain for families, kid-friendly activities and attractions. It's packed with ideas to make your family vacation as exciting and memorable as your solo travels. Click here to watch, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite solo travel tips in the comments. See you in the next video.